Do you have it? Tell me you have it. Please tell me you have it. What are you even... What the fuck? Today? Klebby in the bush. Many months ago, we were on search for a donut burger. Remember that? Yeah. Beef patties in between donuts? It was gross, actually. I found a place that makes them proper.
Are they going to be closed again?
Hope not. All right. Trail riding. Hadn't done this in a while. Whoa. Burger. Very elusive, this thing. We've tried many times to get a real one on the channel, all of which haven't worked out so well. This time I called ahead. I think we're good. I do think we're good. The place we're going to, it's called Royal Donut Burger. Been around for, I don't know, 25 years. And they're open till 8 o'clock tonight. So I'm not going to run any nonsense like we did at Surfing Donuts, thankfully. To the line? All right, we're going for it. I haven't raced Klebby in a long time. Oh my god, I don't know who won. I think he won. The only other time we were mildly successful, this donut burger, we had to go to Dunkin' Donuts, get some donuts, and then go to McDonald's and make our own. And that was horrible. It was gross. I mean, I don't know if this is going to be any better. Probably not. But at least we're going to do it right. Before we do any of that, we're going to make our trip to Topeka General Store. We got some more stuff for Bob. Should we give the camera to old Klebby? See what he can get us? Welcome back. I don't see any quarters in there.
Like there's some kinds of wheat pennies that are worth like $100,000.
Oh, I see a buck. There's at least $1 in there.
I'd have to drink all the water to get all the money out.
I already see a note. It's a mustache.
Hello, Sub D, 805 Squirrel, and Athena here. Stopped by last night. We rode the blue R3. We drank a bunch of 805s. I have a blue R1. And we drove home drunk, but I hope to see you in February. We have a baby due. So I'm trying to get all my drinking out of the way. Hope to ride soon. Hope you read this in the next video. 805 Squirrel and Athena. And we got the stashio right there. He's a crazy guy. I mean, he's really risking his life.
Congratulations, man. They got a baby coming. What else? Anything under the cock? Really? That's it?
Dude, you were just here yesterday. What do you expect?
I wasn't here yesterday.
I was born yesterday.
Is there anything behind the counter? How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright. Look at that. Nothing behind the counter today. Bob, we got something for you, sir.
Oh, Bob.
That's not Bob.
What do you mean?
That's Bob's cousin.
Oh, crap. Okay.
Yeah, we gotta be careful with Bob though.
Why?
Last time we broke him, I think. You put a hat on his cock?
Come on, dude. No one's gonna take this. They're gonna feel too bad about it.
You think so? Well, all right. Free gifts courtesy of Voss Helmets. They've got bug barf now. What do you think that is?
Good.
It says totally gross soda. The Buckeye, that stuff is so good. I'm getting it. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Your teeth break. I'll have a viral video.
Really?
Oh, don't do that. Oh, my God.
What are you doing? Ah. Oh, dude, it broke.
Yes, sir. What's up, man? Hold on, this thing's talking to me. What's that?
I've been watching your videos for a while. Just been waiting to see you guys here. So.
All right on, man. Appreciate it.
Glad to meet you. What's up, man?
We're going to go get a donut burger.
Donut burger?
You ever had one?
I have not.
Well, if you want to come, you're welcome to come.
Would love to, man, but I can't stay. I'm sorry. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Take care. Thanks for watching, man. Really appreciate it. Why do you think that guy didn't want to come?
I just don't think you wanted to come, dude. It's like, never meet your heroes, dude.
You think he was disappointed? He beat me earlier. Not this time. No way. Royal Donuts and Burgers. Made it.
Hi, welcome.
Can we get a single donut burger and then also a quarter pounder with cheese? Do you want cheese on your donut burger?
Yeah, are you supposed to?
Donut burger with cheese. I think I left my wallet on the table at the Tribuco General Store. Do you have it? Tell me you have it. Please tell me you have it.
You know, that's not the first time you did that.
I know it.
Columbus, Ohio.
Except I only seen the loser one with you. Oh, man. They got Capri Suns.
There it is, dude.
Thanks, man.
Dude, you don't take it seriously. You could just kill
Look at this table. Could I take that table and put it out by my motorcycle?
That's fine, yeah.
Yeah, cool, thanks.
Chairs, there's chairs right here.
Oh, man. Thank you. This turned out to be a pretty good gig.
He didn't know I was heckling him the whole time, though.
We'll bring him back. This place is awesome. Clubby,
Donut burgers. What I think?
I need you to be honest on this one, man.
Yep.
What'd you think?
I didn't really like it that much, but I'd eat it again, so I'll probably never be back.
The last time we tried this, we got Dunkin' Donuts and McDonald's. Was this better or worse?
Oh, this is way better, dude.
Way better?
I'll be back like tomorrow.
I got a regular burger. I really liked it, man. It was good.
You want to come back with me?
I'll come back with you.
Okay.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tonight?
Okay.
Later?
Hey, I got a hole in my pocket.
Let's keep it going, man. Let's go get a slice of pizza.
Pizza?
World's Donuts and Burgers. Not a bad spot. Everybody in there is super friendly, man. They even give us chairs to sit out by the bikes and eat. That's cool. Oh, yeah. Pizza. Hey, he totally ran that light. What are you even?
Oh my god, you Ouija board. Dude, we've been here before, dude. You forgot?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I like this spot. Can we get 2 slices? Pepperoni for me. One slice. Could you cut it in half?
Yeah. The ranch, dude.
All right, 2 ranches. What do we? That's gonna be a lot of ranch for 1 slice.
Hell yeah, let's just dump it in our mouths.
Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Have a nice day.
It's like a party out here, man.
Alright, dude, so we each get 1 piece, 1 cup of ranch. You gotta choose wisely what you want to do. I'm gonna go all in. I'm just gonna dump it all on there like so. And you're gonna have to choose what you want to do. I mean, it's either heart attack or bust.
I'm gonna not do that.
What are we doing, dude? I mean,
all right, I'll put some.
Come on, just a little bit. There we go. Look at that. Look at that, dude. Look at that, dude. What are you doing, dude? Stop. Stop. Look what you just did, dude. And you gotta eat it. Enjoy. Yo, check this out. Look at all this ranch, dude. It's nuts, dude. Oh, real hot. Look at it. Oh my god. No, $3, $3, dude. What am I gonna do, dude?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude. It's everywhere.
Whoa, this guy's a warrior. Look at this, man.
He is a warrior.
Oh, my heart. My heart. My heart.
Oh my god, you right?
No, it's back. Thanks. Thanks.
Yeah.
$3, $3.
This guy is the man.
Champion right here.
Hey, Papa John, thanks. Do you think, I think he believed the heart attack thing?
No.
You don't?
Oh, this is. Yeah. Go. What the f***?
Hang on, dude. Oh, let's just do it. Let's do the flip of it.
Hop on.